Hello, good morning. And this morning I'll show you all what I went through to take out my harmonic balancer. The harmonic balancer went bad, so I had to take it out and ordered it. It's about 28 days now, but I've received the harmonic balancer. So I'll go through the process in showing you all what I did to get it out. First, you have to take out the tensioner, not take it out, but slacken it. It has a nut right here. The sun is out, although I put a tarpaulin at the top to help me, but it still have a glare, so bear patience with me. That's a 14. You have to slacken that. Don't take it out, but just slacken it and turn this to release the tension on the belt. Once you do that, the fan, you take out the fan. That's a 14. The tensioner is a 14. The fan is a 12. I didn't take out mine here, but I took it out there. Then you would slacken the alternator. Take out the adjustment, slacken it, and it would slide forward, so you would get out the alternator belt. Then you would slacken this pulley. That's for the compressor. Once you slacken the pulley, you would take out the belt. Once you get the belt out, let me put something down to go underneath to show you all the rest. Yeah, once you get the belts out, this is the adjustment right here for the compressor, air compressor pulley. And to get out this bolt here, you need a 19. To get out this bolt, you need a 19. The way I got this bolt out, I put this here and I let it brace here, and I took out the connection for the coils and I start the vehicle. Well, I didn't start it, I bang it, and it slackened this. So right now I'll be changing this seal. I got everything in, I would be changing this seal, but I would make another video in showing y'all what I would be going through to change the seal and put the harmonic balancer back in. I hope my explanation was good enough. The sun, although I put a tarpaulin, but the sun is troubling me. So to get your balancer in, you would, that's the tensioner here. You would think the tensioner for the alternator, and you would slide the alternator this way. Then you would, that's the other tensioner, you would slacken this and take out the belt. Then you would come down here, slacken this one and take out the belt. So you'd get your harmonic balancer out. The harmonic balancer has 4 bowls. It's in free. It has 4 bowls. It would be easier to get out the 4 bowls and take out the 2 and leave the one that's bolted to the engine. But once you get this screw out, all you have to do is tap the harmonic balancer very gently and it would slide out. You don't need no puller or anything of the sort to get out the balancer. This is it for this video. Thank you and goodbye.